Welcome to the forefront of AI innovation. QuantumMind AI LLC proudly introduces our latest suite of specialized GPTs, designed to transform the way we work, communicate, and secure our digital world. Let's dive into the details of these innovative solutions. Meet Logo Genius, your expert in logo design and branding strategies. Harnessing the power of AI, it creates visually appealing and market-relevant logos. From startups to established enterprises, Logo Genius is your partner in building a memorable brand identity. Introducing Calm Counselor, an innovative approach to anger management. This cutting-edge tool offers an empathetic, interactive solution, tailored to cater to both teens and adults. Navigate the complexities of emotions with Calm Counselor, your guide to a more peaceful mind. Discover AI Info Scout, a versatile bot equipped with voice, vision, and code interpretation capabilities. It's your personal assistant for AI insights, unlocking new possibilities in research and development. Stay ahead in the world of AI research and development with AI Info Scout. Meet CyberSafe AI, your multilingual cybersecurity education expert. In the digital age, security is paramount, and CyberSafe AI equips you with essential knowledge in your chosen language. Empower yourself and your organization with essential cybersecurity skills in the language of your choice. Language AI, an advanced, accurate, multilingual translator, breaks down language barriers, enabling seamless global communication. Imagine smooth, real-time translations, enhancing understanding and fostering connections. From business negotiations to personal interactions, Language AI is your key to a world without language limits. Lastly, AGI Cognitive Architect, a pioneer in complex problem-solving and human-AI collaboration. It's more than a tool, it's a game changer, revolutionizing sectors from technology to healthcare, finance, and beyond. Redefine possibilities in technology, healthcare, finance, and more with AGI Cognitive Architect. QuantumMind AI LLC, innovating for a smarter tomorrow. We've unveiled a spectrum of advanced GPTs, revolutionizing work, communication, and security. Harness the power of cutting-edge AI. Visit our website or contact us to learn more about these revolutionary GPTs.